We kept fighting. It was all we could do. But it was as though Rommel could read our minds. He seemed to always be one step ahead. The atmosphere in the British camp became tense. Tempers were frayed, and I was beginning to feel like I'd joined a lost cause.
Afrika Korps, it has come to my attention that the British have coined a nickname for me. Der Wüstenfuchs, the Desert Fox. The time has come for us to test how appropriate that title is. The Allies are still disorganized after Gazala. This is our chance to cut their supply line before it reaches Tobruk. Our signals company has intercepted British communications and discovered that their remaining supply trucks are being escorted in 3 separate convoys through these main roads. We will, of course, be waiting for them. Lay down landmines and prepare defensive positions along the convoy routes. Our enemies may not know it yet, but they have already fallen into the Fox's trap. When they get close enough, pounce.
Assault Grenadiers here.
Their convoy should be here shortly. Prepare to intercept with mines and sandbags, but be mindful that our reinforcements are late. So we must rely on whatever supplies we can find.
Start digging. We're laying a teller here.
What do you need?
Teller mines going down. Teller mines going down.
Start digging. We're laying a
Assault
teller here.
Grenadiers here.
Marching
Landing order.
Planted.
We're
Pass
on
word
it.
down the line. Start digging. We're laying a teller here.
Eager to get moving.
Panzer Grenadiers relocating.
Engines running.
Get on it.
Grab the
Let's
gun.
get
Let's
to
move.
it.
My
Panzer
crew
Grenadiers
driver.
are on it.
We
don't have all day.
The ruins in Oelde are beautiful.
Commandant.
Mine
And
safe.
I was
Right where
exploring
you
them
are.
as a boy.
Maschinen get in. Crew, move it.
Back then, there's really not much left.
Anything for us?
Make it quick. Make it quick.
Assault Grenadiers here.
Locked and loaded. Let's move.
Assault
Okay,
Grenadiers
it's
here.
planted. Pass word down the line. You have problems, we have answers. Minefield completed. Now we wait. Panzer Pioneer standing by.
Mine
Ready
safe.
on your work.
Right where you asked.
Mines laid, right where you asked. What do you need? Okay, it's planted. Pass word down the line. Teller mines, going down. Minefield completed. Now we wait. Teller mines, going down.
Assault Grenadiers here. Hinrich, get the men in
Mines
order.
laid, right where you asked.
Move it.
I'd love to compete again. Thrill, the
Minefield
endurance.
completed.
Good.
Now we
Towards
wait.
This way. Panzer on standby. Waiting on you. We're moving. Ocho, back in your seat.
We're relocating while we can.
Jawohl. Anti-tank weapon, just for us.
And it's just my size.
MG-34 on standby.
Take up firing positions inside. Panzer Grenadiers relocating.
Commandant.
Anti-tank weapon, just for us.
And it's just my size.
Let's go find some trouble. Like a sweet deal now, huh?
The enemy is here. To make a real impact, we must destroy at least half a dozen of their supply trucks. They will most likely be riding between armored escorts.
Anything for us? Come on, men.
Panzergrenadiers confirmed. Pulled up and moving. Orders.
Panzer 3 is eager to move.
You have problems, we have answers. Piling sandbags, as ordered.
Good job, we're
Locked and
patient
loaded.
men.
Let's move.
We set up an ambush in a batch of cacti.
What do you need?
Risk of got excited.
We're listening.
Get us into the action!
Enemy troops taken care of! Down and clear!
Ready to assault! Marching with haste!
Cover completed!
About time!
Taking fire from Panzers here!
Ready to assault!
Don't fall behind!
Will it be? Listen up!
Excellent! All supply trucks in the first convoy were destroyed.
Commandant!
According to the signals team, we should expect more coming from the northeast. Besser spät als nie. Our reinforcements are finally here.
You have something for us?
Orders.
Ready for orders.
Jawohl.
Men have completed ready, willing and able.
Ready on your word.
Eager to get moving.
Defensive position completed. Make it quick. Start digging. We're laying artillery here. Start digging. We're laying artillery here.
Not anything for us.
Let's get order to cover. Forward stand.
Orders here!
Coordinates received, Commandant. Moving to location. On the double.
Okay, it's planted. Pass well down
Looks
the line.
bumpy up ahead. Hold on. Understood. Move for orders. Christian,
Okay,
confirm
it's
heading.
planted.
I'll get
Pass
us
well
there.
down the line.
Get in gear. We have a heading. I know the engine's hot. Everything's hot.
Thanks for the ride!
Coordinates received.
I can see more British troops on their way.
Crew here!
The signals intel was correct. They appear to be bypassing the town and taking the northeastern road.
Get in gear. We have a
Relocate
heading.
and make preparations
We have
immediately.
Laying mines here. Prep them.
Assault
Minefield
Grenadiers, here.
completed. Now
Get
we
it
wait.
up and running!
Panzergrenadiers standing
Orders
by. Incoming. Jawohl, Commandant. Locked and loaded. Let's move.
What do you need? Get moving. Quick march. Working on it. Orders. Get moving. Quick march. Ready on your word. With me. Stay close.
You have orders? Hunting vehicles only.
We're listening.
Transport here. Utility vehicle here.
Pioneers under fire!
Shit, mate! You must cross! What do you need?
Under attack! Into position! Panzer Pioneers standing by.
The wires beneath us!
Check the boys, we have
Command
movement orders.
team have been killed.
Now!
Field promotion! Well
I don't believe it!
Not a single truck has survived our second ambush. Commendable.
You have
I'm
problems,
still
we have
expecting
answers.
one last convoy. Prepare to relocate once again.
Medium Panzers ready!
Eager to get started. Weapon team confirmed.
Sollgrenadier, new coordinates. Follow me.
Locked and loaded. Let's move. We have a heading.
Ready
Men,
on your
with
work,
me.
tooled up and moving. Panzer Pioneers standing by.
Ready for orders. Panzer Grenadiers relocating. It shall be done. Panzer Grenadiers standing by. Locked and loaded. Let's move.
Orders? Teller mines, going down. Start digging. We're laying a teller here. Mines laid, right where you asked.
Our signals company has confirmed this is
granted.
the last
Pass
British
west out,
convoy.
Ideas here.
They should be approaching now from the southeast.
Panzerknacker my ass. This thing's terrible.
Minefield completed.
Try and throw it
Now
next
we
time.
wait.
I wager 2 marks you throw short. We have a heading. Men, with me.
Look
On me.
lively.
Quickly now.
Move
Let's go
orders.
find some trouble.
The Fox
Come on,
is
men.
finest. Let's get to it. Orders incoming. Plenty of ground to cover.
What do you need? Start filling those sacks. Piling sandbags, as ordered. Let me guess. You want more
You have something
sandbags?
for us? Everything in order. Forwards then.
Ready on your word. The Kriegsmarine is looking like a sweet deal now, huh? Sandbag position done.
Achtung, crew! Panzer 3 is eager to move. Prioritizing vehicles and light armor. Orders, crew!
Panzer Grenadiers,
Enemy presence!
transport
Stay here!
Enemy infantry. Engage.
We found the front line! Any minute now!
Jawohl! Panzer hier! Forward target!
Accommodation! Just what we've enemy infantry killed!
Concentrate your fire.
Enemy armor destroyed! Think of the glory, men!
I don't believe it!
You touching clock or what? It's only fucking bullets.
Enemy infantry
Keep us waiting.
Stay low! Pioniere receiving you! Command us! 18!
And to top it all off,
Panzer 3!
we have laid waste to every supply truck in the final convoy.
It's done! Down and strip that
Our
wreck!
ambush has surpassed my expectations. None of the trucks will make it to Tobruk. Outstanding performance, Afrika Korps.
Look, Sabat.
Panzer Pioneers have finished
ours
our
now.
orders. Panzer Pioneers have finished our orders.
Look out! Loaded!
The British will be demoralized when they see their supplies arrive at Tobruk several trucks short. Exceptional work, Afrika Korps.
The British became more and more creative in their attempts to gain even a small advantage. They built dummy tanks and left fake tracks in the sand to mislead the Germans. The Allied code breakers, Ultra, gave us access to German transmissions. Our officers scoured through them, hunting for any way to strike back. And the people of Benghazi looked for their own way to wage war on the Germans.
تشقد برين يسا اتسوالا لإنا تنا إيوان للماني نهوم داري اسكيتو تسويكين سرادك تخد تولو نونكي إدي إنا أورتيري تبرين أتحبس الدلب النابة أتوز أتفار سنين نسن ترى إنا إز أراسن سلح تتسويعيد فلا أنانكي من أمرا هلك ديك منه